This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Sorry I didn't get a video this morning. I didn't realize it was so low in power and just forgot to charge it this morning. So, but a lot of the snow is gone, but this whole field this morning was covered. And if you can see how windy it is, it's -1, but with the wind chill factor, I'd say it's like 5 or 6 here. Oh, look who's here. Poor Charlie. Poor Charlie. Come, baby. Oh, the wind's blowing. Doing a number on our little Charlie. Oh, Charlie came down 3 times this morning, so he got plenty. Let's see if we can take care of him here again. Here, baby doll. Here, Charlie. Special cheese. There we go, honey. Take what you want, baby. It's fresh sausage. Take what you want. There you go. I'm gonna save at least part of this egg, and the rest of it, guys, you can have. Go ahead, babies. Go ahead. Go ahead, honey. I got a scarf on. I'm gonna tuck this in here because it's so cold. Oh my God, is it cold? Unbelievable. First we had spring, and now we have winter. So I'm going to put this in here, go to the field. Oh, is it cold? It's really cold. I don't remember such a bitter day for such a long time. Look at this. This flag came down here. Look at that. And the worst part is these flags here have these terrible spikes. I don't know if you can see them right there. Anti-bird spikes. Awful. Absolutely awful. Why would you need that on top of the flagpole here? I guess they don't want them on top of the poles there. So, I think I got 2 bags of peanuts here. Our little crows are looking kind of hungry. I'm going to throw this 1 bag here. Shelled peanuts. Torsten, a friend, stopped by this morning and gave another bag of nuts. So that was nice. They got 3 bags. We got 3 bags this morning, and a young girl with a dog came and threw something down over by the Hayfully building. So I think what we'll do, we won't throw any on the field, and we'll leave them all here. So let's see here. I got a heavy bag here because it's really cold, but the difference between this morning and now is that the sun is shining. It was overcast this morning, so it was even more bitter. And of course the sun's taken away some of the snow. But this was all snow covered this morning. I'm so glad that Thomas threw that seed down the other night because they really worked on that. That was really, that really came in handy. The timing was great on that. Thank you, Thomas. I appreciate that. And Torsten threw down. Brought a nice bag of peanuts today in a shell. Let's throw this out here. Oh, there's still grain here. Look at this. Still grain there. Not so many gulls. There were a lot more gulls this morning. There are a lot less gulls tonight. By the way, Luca did come last night with friends. So we also have some leftover noodles here from yesterday that I cooked up for the birds. Wow, it's just bitter today. We got some peanuts left. They're still left here. So that should hold them over. They got still grain left. I'm surprised that that's not gone, but they did get a lot of nuts this morning. Let's put this in here. Ah, there's a little sparrow starling there on the getting a nut. Seems to me the crows are dominating today, except for this morning, because there were a lot more gulls. Like I say, Charlie came down 3 times this morning. Well, they usually say about March, you know, in like a lamb and out like the lion, but I'm going to say it for February. I'm going to also say that about February. We got 2 more days left, but it's really, there was a promise of spring, but that was very momentary. And here we have the last hurrah of winter. Oh, look at that. Look at our little crows up there. I'm going to throw some more peanuts down. This time, the ones that are shelled. We got some cars coming. Of course, people are still working out in the clover fit. And traffic is still being diverted this way. Here are beautiful gulls. It was a very nice sight, despite it was overcast, of the gulls in the snow. I don't know if we'll see any more snow, but you never know. You never know what's going to happen in March. It's a month of transition. So, we'll put some nuts out here. See if they come. Here we go. See if our little crows come here. They're kind of waiting. I'm not sure what's going on here. Why they're not coming down. We'll put our other nuts out here. Other peanuts for the crows. Another bag. Here we go. There we go. Lots of nuts there. I didn't see Seymour. A hawk came today. This morning. Oh, look at that little bird there. Wow, it's just so cold. Okay, I think we're going to go sit in the car for a minute and see if the crows come down. And I also have some walnuts too. I'm going to shut down this video. Oh, look at our crows up there. I don't know why they're not coming down. They were down here this morning, so I'm not sure what they see or what they perceive as something negative. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, wishing you a great Sunday, and tomorrow's the start of a new week, and it will be cold tomorrow as well, and probably Tuesday. So yeah, I'll tend news of the birds as best I can. Oh, here's our little Charlie. That was a landing leg from a spacecraft. Our little Charlie. Hey, baby. Baby, here. Get what you need. Get your sausage. Okay. There you go. Go ahead, guys. Get in there. Get what you need. Hurry up. That's it. That's twice already for Charlie. And I'm sure it's not the end. So we'll let him take his little food away. But it is bitter. I had a very hard time feeding Kitty Cat today. He really didn't want to come out of his little place there at Swiss Artec. But he came because he was hungry, and I tried to, shield him from the wind a little bit. But anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I'm going to shut down now and get in the car and warm up because it's really cold. We had a lovely spring day, and now we have a lovely winter day. Anyway, it's like Puxatawny Phil in Puxatawny, Pennsylvania said. He saw his shadow, and he said 6 more weeks of winter. And